Good evening, everybody. Let's do a quick unboxing of LG V10, which I just received from T-Mobile. This is a T-Mobile version. Let's just get down to it. Alright, so this is the actual box. That's the front of the box. Well, I should say top of the box. That's the front, back, and then you have the sides. You see it's a T-Mobile version. And that's manufactured, it says here, October of 2015, so this month. So this is the outer box. Let's slide this box out, and then we have inner box with the seal here. Let's break the seal. Alright, let's open it. Okay, opens up like so. Alright, and there it is, LG V10. Let's see what's in here. Pull on this tab, and here we have a charger, which looks just like that. Okay. We have a battery. We have a battery right here, and we also have a charging cable, which is pretty much standard when you order the devices. And this one is it's 1.8 output. It's a 1.8 amps, so it's a little bit more powerful than your average off-the-shelf charger. So let's get the phone out. Come on, phone. Alright, there it is. Alright, so here's the phone. Inside here we also have a SIM card, which I noticed is a full size, so I'm wondering what's up with that. Let's open the back of the phone and see what kind of SIM card. I'm used to nano SIM cards, but maybe they're using a full-size one. So okay, and in here we just have a set of instructions. I don't really feel like opening up. Yeah, just the manual. So that goes in here. Alright, let's close this here. Get rid of this. And let's put the battery inside. Alright, so where does the SIM card go? Alright, so it seems like... Alright, so this SIM card from T-Mobile, I don't know if you can tell here, but basically this is like the full size, and it's got cutouts. I don't know if you can see the lines, but I guess you can probably break off whatever you don't need. And it seems to me like it's a nano SIM card, so, but I'm not going to put it in right now. Let's just put the battery in and see how it powers up. Okay. Alright, let's flip the phone. And, oh, the power button is on the back. Okay. Let's remove the screen. Paper here. Alright. Okay, powered up right now. and I can see the screen. I don't know if you can on the video, but the actual screen is coming around a little higher here. I don't know if you can tell, like so. So I don't think this phone really actually has two screens. I think it's just one big screen, which basically I think there's a different processor that drives the top portion of it. So it's not two separate screens, it's just one big screen. It's optimizing apps. I don't know how long this will take. Well, let it do its work. So as you can see,